Hey guys, good afternoon. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. I've got a 2014 Kenworth T680. Got an Isx 550 Cummins, 18-speed automatic, 46 rears, full lockers, wet kit, only 224,000 miles. Got it hot today. Going to do a full walk around, show you underneath the hood, frame rails, tires, brakes, everything that you'd want to see just like you're standing here. Let's go ahead and get started. This truck did originally come out yellow. I'll show you some of the imperfections there as we're going through as well. See, the firewall is still yellow. Front air ride. Good steers. Overall, the body and paint looks really good, especially from, on the outside looking in. Just really the firewall is the only thing that looks not great. Blow-by looks good. Grill and bumper looks really good. This is a dual stack truck, but it's a dummy stacks. It's not hooked up to anything. It's got a down under exhaust. All aluminum wheels, disc brakes. This frame is sleeved. I can see how far up it goes. You can see it's had something mounted there. I don't know if it was a different fifth wheel. This was owned by an asphalt company, so they may have had some type of apparatus on the back as well, or something different mounted up here. Or it could have been a dump truck. That could be a possibility as well. There's your split tank for your hydraulics. Interior is nice and clean. There's your control tower. This one is showing no warnings or faults, but it does have a light on. It popped on as I was getting it hot. Have to dig into that and see what's going on there. But it's showing no warnings. No engine faults. Great low side oil pressure. Super smooth through the RPMs. pressure jumps up there exactly like it's supposed to. You've got your smart wheel on this one as well. Guys, I appreciate you watching. If you got questions on this truck or anything else, feel free to give me a call, 901-896-4526. You can also email me anytime to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.